everyone, and welcome to Fort 40 TV. If you're new, don't forget to head over to our blog and subscribe and join us on Facebook and on Instagram as well. We upload new videos every single Friday. Okay, so this video is for all of you who want to eat healthier but actually don't know where to start. I've been getting a lot of requests to do this video because most of you have been with me on my 10-pound loss over the last few months. And as I go into the second phase of my program, I am really excited to share with all of you the things that I have learned about clean eating or just plain eating well. I've been a vegan for over 2.5 years, so my version of a healthy diet is based on veganism. So I eat a lot of whole food, plant-based meals which comprise mostly of unprocessed food. Basically, that means I chow down on everything but meat, dairy-based products like cheese, cow's milk, butter, and of course I try to resist a lot of refined white flour-based products. We usually have terrible feelings about what a healthy diet is. We think it's going to be boring, expensive, unsatisfying, bland, and another word we use is just plain yucky. But let me tell you from someone who loves food, none of that is true. But if you think that eating healthy is yucky, then of course the yuckier it will be. So go in with an open mind and prepare to be pleasantly surprised. Don't think that eating well is about numbers. Counting calories all the time is just so stressful. But once you find the food that works for you, you can understand portion sizes and you begin to eat regular small meals, and then you add exercise to that and you treat yourself occasionally. Then eating healthy will become just a natural way of life for you. I think we do ourselves a real big disservice when we start looking at numbers instead of how our bodies are feeling. Forget about the quick fixes, the 8-week programs, waist measurement, calories, and kilogram counting. Health is not about pushing yourself or ticking off boxes. It's something you should want to do mostly every day for the rest of your life. I eat tons of veggies and fruits and grains and legumes, which comprise of beans, peas, and lentils. And of course, I love tofu. One of the best things that I did for myself was to invest in a meal prep system, which includes mason jars for storage. And oh, this meal prep bag right here, which I absolutely love because I can carry to work portioned out meals in these containers, which are marked with a quantity of food I need to be eating on a daily basis. So I am never really overeating. Plus these icy packs, which I can slip right here to the front of the bag, and they keep everything cold. As a vegan, protein is super important to me, so that I love that I can make my protein shakes ahead of time in these BPA-free jars. So eating healthy is also about being prepared, not only at home, but at work, where you spend so many hours of your day. The next thing I want you to know is that it's good not to be perfect. So sometimes go ahead and eat things just for the pleasure of eating. Something tasty, even though it may not be the healthiest. So enjoy some lovely chocolate cookies. And yes, I have been guilty of consuming a whole bag of chips, vegan of course. Now, I know we are all serious creatures of habit, and changing your diet can feel quite weird in the beginning. So don't expect to feel like, oh, wonderful when you are making some of your own dietary adjustments, especially during the first week or even the first month. Change takes time. Your taste buds need time to adjust. Your cravings will change a lot depending on what you're eating. I seriously do not crave processed stuff anymore. It makes me feel bad and it doesn't taste good to me. So have faith that if you stick to it, your habits and cravings will change over time.